Okay, first gear straight up. Release the brakes. Okay, you're going to go forward and go to the left all the way. Alright, just release the clutch. And you're going to aim it to this long line right here. I don't want you on the left side. I want you to stay on the right side for safety. Alright, then you can go to second gear if you like. Okay, you're going to put in the clutch in this clutch, neutral, clutch gear. And just keep it straight for a little bit. If you want to hit third, you can. But I usually just say clutch, clutch. Each time I say clutch, I move my hand. Go straight for a little bit. Don't hit the fence because someone already hit it. You can tell. Stay between the lines. And then there's a stop sign here. It's going to say TO. And stop here. Start in first gear again. Look both ways for traffic. And release the clutch. Okay, no acceleration. Alright, you can go to second gear if you want. Clutch, clutch. Go straight for a little bit. Turn the wheel. When you make this turn, then you can think about third gear. Alright, clutch, clutch. If you mess up, you can just stop, start over. Just first gear. Release the clutch. You have to let it roll until you can't let it stop and shift gear. You got to catch it while it's rolling. Okay, I'm going to go to second gear. Clutch, clutch. I'm going to go to third. Clutch, clutch. You got to move it over. If you don't, you go back to first. That's the only gears we want you to do in the range. Next week, you're going to do plenty of shifting and plenty of acceleration or a little gas too. Alright, you're going to continue here. Stay between the lines. I'm going to put a cone probably in a little bit right here in the center, but you're going to go straight for a little bit, then turn it to the right. Stay as close as you can to this cone and the arrow. You'll see it here. And then you're going to aim the truck over here by that black rubber thing in the ground. You're going to put that next to your step on the side. You're going to look down here, put the clutch in, let it roll up here. That black rubber thing in the ground, I want you to put it in the center of the fuel door, the little bitty door. Alright, you're going to put it in reverse, all the way to the right. That makes the trailer go to the left. You look at your left mirror. And on your mirror, on the left side, I have a mark on the trailer. There's a black smudge kind of up and down. Look, guys, come over here. It's right there. Right. That black thing, I want to put it right next to my fin, the rail, or whatever you call it. And I'm going to just go right to where it's going to hit it. If you want, you can always just look back there and see the angle, and then you can check yourself if you're doing good. But right now, I do have a smudge there. And just put it right next to the fin. I'll be out here helping you anyway. Okay, when you get to that angle, then turn it all the way to the left and just back it in. You're going to be looking back there, and it just goes between the cones. You go as far as back as you can without hitting the back cone. Alright, and then you can see a little bit there, but you can't see much here. I'm going to turn all the way to the right now. Put in a forward gear, and I look at my right mirror to see where I'm, positioned. If I'm sitting pretty good or not. And sometimes you're straight and pretty good, and sometimes you're not. If you need a little bit of pull up, get it straight a little bit, and then just back it up. This is not in your test. It's just something that you're going to be doing later. And you're going to be here for at least an hour or two until I tell you to swap. And that's it. Alrighty. Thank you. Alright.